What up, YouTube? I ain't made a video in a minute because, well, Kansas City weather sucks. Like 1 minute it'll be sunny, the next minute cold and rainy. That's what it's been the past week. So I really ain't made no video. And plus, I've been waiting on stuff to come in the mail, but we got a lot of stuff, a lot of packages that came in over the week. So we're gonna, I keep forgetting to do like unboxing, but I don't really do the unboxing. I just show you the part that I got. So there's that. So just look at it. So I took the headlights off, right? And this headlight bracket right here, this is probably the hardest part to find. So I'm probably just gonna have to like take this one off and repair it. But I gotta take the bumper off first, and I don't feel like doing that just yet. And the biggest thing is, apparently something climbed up in the damn car because the dog's been tripping. Look at her. She won't stay away from the engine, which is normal. You know, if a car sits for too long, something's gonna climb up in there, a mouse or whatever. But this idiot, looking for the damn whatever it is up in there, got to scratching and biting and chewing. And look what this idiot did to my wires, bro. Look what she did to me. Look what you did, baby. You tore myself up. So I'm gonna have to get this fixed. No big deal. It's just, I mean, extra money I gotta spend, but whatever. I don't too much care about all that. But like I said, we got a whole bunch of stuff in the mail. I'm about to clean, condition, and polish the seats, get them all going, and get those put back in. I need to take the front seats out so I can do the carpet, get all of this cleaned up. It's disgusting and filthy in here. But let's go check out some parts.
Like really, you belong to the street.
This is I got this from the junkyard. I was lucky that I could find, I found a Cougar that had the same beige interior. So I got a bunch of pieces off of it. So I got this. This goes on the driver's side, right up under the seat on the side. Apparently it's supposed to keep debris from getting up under there, but it doesn't work like that. I got this for the passenger side. This one's a little cracked, but I can fix that. That's no big deal. I got that. We got wide body fender flares, bitch. We're going to mock those up today. I'm not going to install them just yet, but at least get them mocked up so we know where we're going to put them. Because I haven't quite decided if I'm going to take the trim off. It's a popular thing that people do. They take this trim piece off right here, you know, and make the whole side smooth. I'm not quite sure if that's what I want to do or not, but I don't know. I kind of do, I kind of don't. I mean, either if I keep it, I got to get it fixed because the dog done scratched it all up. You see all this. But I kind of want to take it off because I like that smooth look. And plus, and then I got side skirts coming and a rear diffuser. I still need to go get a bumper. I think I found one at a junkyard. I'm gonna go check it out tomorrow. Then I'm gonna go from there. Like I said, I ain't quite figured out how I want to do that. So that's kind of the reason why I'm just gonna mock up the fender flares, because if I keep the trim, I'm gonna have to cut the flares somewhere to make them fit properly, make them look like they're supposed to be there. But if I take the trim off, like the flares it'll just mock straight up. So I don't know yet. So there's that. I got these 8-pillar, whatever the hell you call these things. I got those going. Got some canards in, but they're not real canards. They're like the stick-on joints. So I'm not quite sure if I really want to use them, but whatever. There's that. Also, we got the dash piece in, the finished panel. This is for the, like, this goes over the radio and the heat and air controls and all of that. The thing with this is, though, it's not black like the one that I had, so I'm probably gonna have to paint it. That's no big deal. I'm cool with that. I got one, and this one came with the clock and the vent, which was like a really sweet ass lucky find. You can find that. So I'm gonna put that in there. Then I got this. Go around the gauge cluster and all that. This, I was extremely lucky with this. Not only did I find it in good shape, it's black, and I got this one for a pretty good fair price. I found this at the junkyard, but most of this stuff I had to order online, and the prices for some of this stuff was just ridiculous. This thing itself, this was, I don't know if you can see it, $119.94 plus shipping just for this little piece. And also, before I put this in, I'm going to have, because my car has, some of them had just like a little cubby hole where you can just put stuff in there, and then some of them had the ashtray with cigarette lighter. That's the one that mine has. So I'm going to have to take this piece off right in here. But it just clips out, boom, pull it out, clip it right in there, and that'll be cool. Hook the cigarette lighter up, have the ashtray, because, well, that's how my car is, and plus I smoke, whatever. I need to quit smoking, really, before I die of lung cancer, but whatever. You only get one life. Do what I want to. You're not my mom. So yeah, we got a bunch of parts here. We're gonna get these cleaned up and get those installed. Kind of want to pull my seats out and clean the carpet and all of that first, but I really just want to make sure everything fits the way it's supposed to.
Like really, you belong to the streets.
So what I'm about to do is, let me get some cameras set up, get pieces laid out so I know what I'm doing and what order and where I'm putting it and all that. And then we're going to start. The first thing I'm going to start with is, before I start putting any of this stuff in, I'm going to have to clean this thing up. Oh, this is so dirty in here. Look at all this. It's disgusting. All of this. This clock is going to come out because, believe it or not, this clock don't work. And then I went into the junkyard and I got a new clock. And then when I ordered the little dash piece that goes right here, it came with the clock. So take this one off, put the new one in. Yeah, that at some point I'm going to get a new radio. Radios aren't important. So I'm going to get some cameras set up, get some equipment and some brushes and rags and sprays and all of that. Start getting this thing's all dirty and sticky and nasty. So I'm going to get that going. We'll clean it up first, and then probably go ahead and pull out the passenger side seat, just because that's easier. But yeah, so much of this stuff is broken and cracked, and it's going to be hard as hell to find. Also, you see this little thing right here? Goes over the seatbelt screw, right? I'm looking for one of those because I need one for the passenger side. And it's like, no. There's not one to be found. But, yeah, well, get it all cleaned up, get the parts cleaned up, get the inside cleaned up, and we'll start putting the stuff on. Probably going to start with polishing the seats and all that first, get them ready, get the car cleaned and vacuumed. Fuck, oh fuck, I don't even have my vacuum, somebody else got it. Ain't that a bitch? Alright, whatever. So yeah, let's get started. the guy a package. Gotta make sure Chi Chi don't mess with him. Look at her over there laid up in the sun. Alright, so here we go. Back seat completely done. Before I put it in, got some extra on there putting the seat in. They got this all cleaned up. The leather's cleaned, conditioned. Still got some extra left on there. But that's all. Shit. The only time it looked better was in '97. You dig what I'm talking about? Back seat all in. So, back seat's finished.